Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove some links out of your watch. So first of all, they usually put more links on one side, anticipating that you might need to remove some. So see which side is going to work best for you. And we're going to look on the back, on the inside of the links here, and there's typically an arrow, and the direction that it's pointing is the way we want to push the pin out. And then when we put it back in, we're going to put it back in the opposite way towards the arrow. So what we'll do is just get a push pin and we'll set it up in here. And again, we're going the direction of the arrow and just push down on it. And that allows the pin to come up into the air where it's not going into the table or anything like that. And so as you see, as we pushed it down, that little nub came out. And so now we'll just grab a pair of needle nose pliers. And we'll just grab it here and we'll pull it out. So you do want to keep in mind which way it comes out because it's usually thick on one end, like where the pliers are. And so we don't want to try to drive that in the wrong way. Now we're going to repeat the same process on the other side of whichever link we are removing. And so go ahead and pop it up and it just comes out the same way. And so here's what the pin looks like. And on the right hand side, you can see it's pretty flush. On the left hand side, it does have a little hole in the top of it and it's a little thicker. So that's the side, this would be pointing upward as it's coming out. And this is the side that we would have pulled out with the pliers. So when we go to line the links back up after we've removed a link, we're going to put it back in that opposite way that it came out. So you don't want to try to push that pin through the other way or you could damage it. So we're now sliding the pin down against the arrow. And as it slides down, you do want to be careful not to scratch the watch. So rather than using metal or anything to get it pushed down, what I like to do is get a plastic spoon and use it to push that link down till it's flush. Sometimes you even need the needle to push it in just a little bit more until it's recessed into that hole. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description where I'll put more videos that are similar to this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.